I'm black and white and loved all over the world. I eat bamboo. Yum yum. What am I? Time's almost up. I am a panda bear. I have a bushy tail and like to bark. I'm very friendly. I'm not a shark. What am I? Halfway through. I am a dog. I'm a creature of the night with big eyes that shine bright. What am I? Let's go. I am an owl. I can be plain, spotted, or striped, but not a cat. In the waters where I'm at, what am I? Keep going, you're doing great. I am a fish. I swing from the trees with the greatest of ease, and I love to eat bananas in the breeze. What am I? You are doing so well. Well done. I am a monkey. That's all for now. Well done.